The ultimate Bicol travel guide. Let's go. From riding an ATV to the Mayon volcano, to island hopping around limestone cliffs, to trekking up green rolling hills, and eating famous Bicolano dishes. After exploring all 6 provinces of the Bicol region, we're now here to give you the best and most informative Bicol travel guide the internet has ever seen. In this video, we show you the best places to visit, the best things to do, and the best food to eat, all so that you could have the best Bicol trip possible. So let's go! Hi guys, my name is Angelica Wanders and this is Eileen Wanders, and we create budget travel guides all around the world. On this channel, we show you our easy to follow itineraries and also our costs and expenses in every trip. So if you want to travel around the world in the easiest and most affordable way possible, then hit that like button and hit that subscribe button because we make videos just for you. Stick until the end of this video because we'll give you some sample budget itineraries for each province and also a cost breakdown for every activity so you can get an idea of how much an awesome Bicol trip would cost. And without further ado, let's explore the Bicol region. When I first moved to the Philippines, I thought Bicol was a province, just like Cebu or Palawan. Little did I know, it's actually an entire region made up of 6 different provinces. So what we did was explore them all. And let me tell you, Bicol is packed with epic adventures, and each province has its own unique vibe. So let me share with you the differences between each province so it can help you choose which is the best travel destination for you. Let's begin. First up, Albay, home to the iconic Mayon volcano. This province is a dream for thrill seekers and history buffs. You can go trekking, go caving, or explore centuries-old churches, all while soaking in postcard-perfect views. Hands down, this is one of the most beautiful provinces in Bicol. Next, Camarines Sur. If you love water sports, this is your playground. Island hop around jaw-dropping limestone cliffs or go wakeboarding at a world-class water sports complex. Camsur is all about water adventures. Now Sorsogon. If you're looking to unwind, this province has peaceful beaches, relaxing hot springs, and serene lakes. But if you're up for a little thrill, swimming with whale sharks is an experience you'll never forget. Next up, Catanduanes, perfect for nature lovers and surfers. Picture-perfect cliffs, breathtaking viewpoints, and waves that are perfect for beginners or pros. This hidden paradise is full of unspoiled beaches. On to Masbate, island hopping and marine sanctuaries. This is an underwater wonderland. If you're lucky, you might even spot some majestic manta rays and black-tip reef sharks in its waters. Last but not least, Camarines Norte, perfect for beach campers. Think white sand, crystal clear waters, and a chill vibe that rivals Boracay. This is the ultimate spot for a laid-back island escape. Each province in Bicol offers its own unique charm, whether you're an adrenaline seeker, a nature enthusiast, or a foodie. Bicol has something special for everyone. Also, if you're looking for high-rated yet budget-friendly hotels, I've included links in the description to some of the best affordable hotels in each province. And stick until the end of this video where we'll share a 4-day budget itinerary perfect for first-timers who want to experience all the must-visit tourist spots. And now, it's time for the top 25 best things to do in the Bicol region, and also their price tags. And stick until the end because the last one is our ultimate favorite one. Let's begin. Starting the countdown off at number 25, rev up your engines and ride an ATV towards the iconic Mayon volcano. Cruise through rocky trails and streams with stunning views of Mayon's perfect cone. For as low as 500 pesos per head, guided tours make it safe and fun for everyone. You can choose your trail based on how far you want to go. And here are the current prices for each trail. Don't worry, we'll leave some discounted ATV tour links in the description below. And don't forget to use the coupon code AngelicaWandersKlook for an extra discount. Number 24. Visit Binurong Point, Catanduanes. Imagine standing on a cliff, surrounded by rolling green hills with waves crashing against the rocks below. Binurong Point looks straight out of a postcard. For only 400 pesos, a local guide will lead you up a 20 to 30 minute hike to the top, where the breathtaking views resemble Batanes. I highly recommend going at sunrise for the perfect golden hour glow. Number 23. Go island hopping at Catamoan. Catamoan delivers serious Coron and El Nido vibes, with towering limestone cliffs, hidden lagoons, and crystal clear waters. No wonder Survivor was filmed here. Joiner tours from Manila start at 5,000 pesos for a 3-day, 2-night adventure, covering round-trip van transfers, lodging, meals, and a boat tour taking you to 10 stunning islands. Our personal favorite was Matukad Island, where you can climb up a cliff for a breathtaking view. Number 22. Ride a horse at Kitinan Ranch. This is a scenic picnic spot and campsite where you can enjoy wide open fields and panoramic views of the town with just a 70 peso entrance fee. Or if you want to explore the ranch in a unique way, try a relaxing 15-minute horseback ride for only 150 pesos. Number 21. Try local Bicolano delicacies. If you're in Bicol for the first time, don't leave without trying laing, pinangat, and inulukan. While they all share the same creamy goodness of coconut milk, each has its own delicious twist. Laing is a delicious blend of taro leaves, coconut milk, and spices. Pinangat stuffs the taro leaves with meat, then wraps them up in a savory bundle. And for a fun twist, inulukan is similar to pinangat, but it's filled with freshwater crab meat instead. You can enjoy all 3 of these for as low as 60 pesos per serving. Authentic Bicolano flavors at budget-friendly prices. Number 20. Swim with whale sharks in Donsol. Imagine getting up close and personal with these massive but totally harmless gentle giants. Donsol is one of the few places in the world where you can swim alongside whale sharks in their natural habitat. The experience costs only 300 pesos for registration, plus 3,500 pesos for a boat rental good for 6. Number 19. Hop on a boat and explore the breathtaking Burias group of islands. Climb over Animasola Island's dramatic rock formations and swim in its natural blue pools. Also, say hello to Sombrero Island, shaped like a cute little hat, perfect for photos. And don't miss the magic of Tinalisayan Island's sandbar. It appears at low tide, then disappears into the dreamy blue waters at high tide. Tour packages from Manila start at just 3,499 pesos, covering round-trip van and boat transfers, tent accommodations, and meals. Number 18. Go wakeboarding at the Camsur Water Sports Complex. Imagine zooming across the water and pulling off some epic wakeboarding tricks, or at least trying to. Whether you're a newbie or a pro, CWC's got beginner lakes to expert lakes. Wakeboard lessons start at just 250 pesos for an hour, but the adventure doesn't stop there. You can also go ATV riding, windsurfing, kayaking, and much more. I'll pop up their activity rates right here. Number 17. Climb up Kitinday Hills. Often called the Chocolate Hills of Bicol, you can actually walk up the hills and explore its peaks for a breathtaking 360-degree view. The entrance fee is only 70 pesos. And don't worry, the hike isn't even much of a hike. It's more of a beginner-friendly 10-minute stroll up some stairs. And just a tip, visit at sunrise to avoid the crowds. We got lucky to have the hills all to ourselves. Number 16. Visit Puraran Beach. Famous for its majestic waves, this untouched surf spot features creamy golden sand and stunning rock formations. Beachfront cottages start at just 750 pesos, making it an affordable paradise where you can wake up to the sound of the ocean and end your day with breathtaking sunsets. Hands down, this is one of the prettiest beaches in Catanduanes. Number 15. Swim at Paguriran Island and Lagoon. This dreamy island lagoon combo boasts a natural turquoise pool in the middle of stunning rock formations. For just a 10 peso entrance fee, you can walk across the sandbar to reach the lagoon during low tide or take a quick 1 to 2 minute boat ride for 300 pesos during high tide. This is seriously a hidden paradise. Number 14. Hoyop Hoyopan Cave. Named after the Bicolano word for blow blow because of the cool breeze that flows through its walls. Plus, this place also has a cool past. It used to be a World War II hideout and even a secret party spot during martial law. Yep, the concrete dance floor is still there today. Entrance and guide fees cost 300 pesos for a group of 6. You get history and adventure all in one go. Number 13. Island hopping at Matnog, Sorsogon. Ever seen pink sand? Walk along the pink-hued shores of Subic Beach. Swim with colorful fish at the Huag Lagoon's Marine Sanctuary. Unwind on the peaceful shores of Tikling Island and explore Kalintaan Cave for some epic photo ops. Island hopping day tours start at just 2,200 pesos per person for a group of 10. Number 12. Visit Sumlang Lake. For just a 100 peso entrance fee, you get front row seats to Albay's most peaceful lake. Snap some IG-worthy shots, ride a water bicycle, or chill on a bamboo raft with your family and friends. Pure relaxation with scenic views all around. Number 11. When in Bicol, you have to taste something unique, like sili ice cream. Yep, you heard that right. Sweet, creamy, with a spicy kick of Bicol's chili. You can grab 3 scoops for just 109 pesos at First Colonial Grill. And trust me, 1 scoop just isn't enough. Number 10. Go surfing at Lola Sayong's Surf Resort. For a laid-back surf spot in Sorsogon, this is the place to be. With a 75 peso entrance fee, you can relax under coconut trees, unwind on a hammock, or chill on a swing. Surf lessons start at 450 pesos per hour, and beachfront nipa huts are available for as low as 650 pesos for 2 people. Great waves, delicious food, and an uncrowded beach. Pure chill vibes. Number 9. Check out the Cagsawa Ruins. History and breathtaking views all in one spot. Cagsawa Ruins is the remains of a 16th century church that was destroyed by Mayon's eruption in 1814. And now with a 75 peso entrance fee, it's a top spot for photos with the volcano as your backdrop. Number 8. Go island hopping at Calaguas. Ever dreamed of Boracay without the crowds? That's Calaguas. Picture soft, powdery white sand, crystal clear waters, and an almost empty beach. It's like having your own private island. Sure, it takes about 2 hours to get there, but it's absolutely worth it. Tours from Manila covering van and boat transfers, tent camping, and meals start at only 3,199 pesos per person. Number 7. Explore Bulusan Lake. Dubbed the Little Switzerland of Bicol, Bulusan Lake is a volcanic lake surrounded by towering mountains and lush virgin forests. The entrance fee is just 50 pesos, and if you're up for more fun, you can go kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding, boating, or even trekking. I'll pop up the activity rates right here. Number 6. Visit Daraga Church, a hilltop church with jaw-dropping views of the Mayon volcano. Daraga Church was built in 1773 and still remains one of the most beautifully preserved Baroque-style churches in the Philippines. Best of all, it's completely free to visit. Number 5. Go surfing at Bagaspas Beach in Daed, a perfect surf spot for beginners. Unlike Siargao's reef breaks, where the sea bottom is filled with corals and rocks, Bagaspas Beach offers a safer sandy bottom while still delivering solid waves. It may not have Boracay's white sand, but its laid-back beach vibes totally make up for it. Plus, it's a free public beach. Number 4. Don't leave Bicol without grabbing some pili nuts for pasalubong. These buttery sweet nuts are a local favorite and come in different flavors: roasted, caramelized, spicy, or even chocolate-coated. Since pili nuts are uniquely Bicolano, they make the perfect souvenir. Small containers start at 185 pesos, while 5-packet bundles go for just 100 pesos. Affordable, delicious, and guaranteed your family and friends will thank you for it. Number 3. Go island hopping at Ticao Island. This is home to 5 untouched paradise spots, including the Buntod Reef Marine Sanctuary, where a white sandbar stretches into a mangrove sanctuary, and also the Catanduanes Falls, which flows straight into the ocean. And if you're lucky, you might even spot manta rays or black-tipped reef sharks while diving in Ticao's waters. Day tours from Masbate City start at just 1,899 pesos per head. Number 2. Visit the Barcelona Church and Ruins. Built in 1874, this historic church got its name because Spanish friars thought its coastal landscape resembled Barcelona, Spain. And just across the street, you'll find the ruins of old Spanish colonial buildings. It's a beautiful and budget-friendly experience with just an entrance fee of 40 pesos. And last but not least, our number 1 favorite thing to do in Bicol is this. If you're hunting for the best eats in Bicol, we got you covered. We explored 15 different food spots, from legendary Bicol Express to Pinangat Pasta to Sili Ice Cream and Sili Latte, only to bring you the top 30 best eats and drinks in Bicol. In our separate food vlog, we try out all the best sellers at all the best restaurants, and we also give you our 100% honest reviews. We also break down the costs and prices per dish to help you budget your own Bicol food trip with your friends. For the full food list and price list, check out our Bicol Budget Food Guide, which is up on our YouTube channel. There are countless more things to do in the Bicol region, but if I went through each one of these, this video would never end. So we just shared the top 25 most popular activities, so you can pick the ones that best fit your lifestyle. Don't worry, I'll share all our tour contacts in the description below, so you can book your own budget tours for your Bicol adventure. Well, now that we've covered the best places to visit, the best things to do, and the best food to eat in Bicol, now it's time to put it all together and create the ultimate Bicol sample itinerary. I'll pop up a 4-day itinerary for each province on screen, so feel free to screenshot or save this video for future reference. First up, here is a 4-day Masbate sample itinerary. And here is a 4-day Albay sample itinerary. Next, we have a 4-day Sorsogon sample itinerary, and then a 4-day Catanduanes sample itinerary. After that, here's a 4-day Camarines Norte sample itinerary. And lastly, here's a 4-day Camarines Sur sample itinerary. And there you have it, the ultimate Bicol travel guide for first-timers. At the end of the day, there is no perfect itinerary. There is just your itinerary. Ask yourself, what do you want to do? Island hopping, surfing, food tripping? Figure out what you want and then form your perfect itinerary from there. On this channel, we teach you guys how to save money when traveling, how to make money when traveling, how to book cheap flights, and how to book cheap hotels. So if this travel guide helped you in any way, please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and comment down below if you have any questions about Bicol. We do our best to reply to every single comment, so don't be afraid to ask. Well, that's it for today. We hope you guys enjoyed this travel guide, and we hope you enjoy your trip to Bicol. This is Angelica and Eileen Wanders. Never stop wondering.